morning. Some of us saw heavy rain. I mean, we were listening to it on the roof for quite a long time.
I'm sure if you weren't up before that line moved through, yeah, you were woken up. The thunder was very loud, but it wasn't severe. So that was some good news there. There were heavy rainfall, frequent flashes of lightning, but wasn't severe. Now, Sunday night into Monday, another line is expected to move through, and that does have the potential of being severe. So another round of thunder that could wake you up. So here's how it shaped up. We had this line of showers and storms moving from the plateau and travel especially from Knoxville off towards the south and east, resulting in about 1 to upwards of about 2 inches of rain. Now, most of the rain has started to clear up, but we're still seeing showers right now from Knoxville down to Blunt and Sevier counties. So some steady rainfall in Gatlinburg right now. We also had a few rumbles of thunder lingering in portions of Cotton County. This batch will continue to push into North Carolina, and then it looks drier during the second half of the day. 66 degrees currently in Knoxville, Maryville, and 64 in Oneida. We will continue to warm up as we go through the afternoon, expecting a few breaks of sunshine. We'll keep the slight chance of a shower later on this afternoon, but for the most part, a lot of us are going to stay dry. I do think it will be a great day for outdoor plants, at least the second half. Temperatures able to warm up into the low to mid 80s. 85 here in Knoxville and Athens, 81 in Jamestown. So take advantage of today. This is our window for some drier time. Changes move in by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, but especially tomorrow night. Our updated severe threat level at a 3 out of 5, northern plateau into southeast Kentucky, including Jamestown, Stearns, and Barberville. 2 out of 5 for most of the area, with a 1 out of 5 a bit closer to the Tri-Cities. We will be weather aware tomorrow because all modes of severe weather are possible. Main concern is heavy rain. We already picked up a lot of heavy rain today. We've had batches of rain the last couple of days, and another round is expected tomorrow. That could lead to some localized flooding. Concern number 1 is probably going to be the straight line winds that could result in some damage. Likely going to be widespread gusty winds as a line of storms moves through. There is a hail threat as well, and the potential for tornadoes. So again, all modes of severe weather are possible, and this does look to bring in an overnight threat. So it really is important that you have ways to receive watches and warnings, ways that can wake you up. Great resources are apps. Search Knoxville Weather, Google Play, or Apple App Store. Before you go to bed tomorrow, make sure your phone is not on Do Not Disturb. You need to have ways to receive the alerts that can wake you up, just in case it is warranted, especially during the second half of tomorrow. So later on tonight into tomorrow morning, it's quiet. I think the first half of the day tomorrow is great for outdoor plants. Here's the big question mark. During the afternoon, do we start to see discrete cells popping up? If they do, they could quickly turn strong to potentially severe, and all modes of severe weather are possible. So this is what we're going to have to watch in the afternoon. If they develop, again, we'll have to keep a very close eye on them. Then we may enter a break during the early nighttime hours of Sunday. It's really late Sunday night into early on Monday. Notice a line of showers and storms that drifts in from the northwest, and as it does so, may concern heavy rainfall, which could lead to some localized flooding and straight line winds that could result in damage. You can also get a quick spin up tornado along that line. It will continue to stair step across the region, pushing through during the morning on Monday. Then it looks quieter, especially during the second half of Monday afternoon. Now, there are some indications that maybe a few more showers and storms could develop. I don't think we would be seeing severe weather at that point because that initial line has already moved through. But we're talking about some impressive rainfall totals in addition to what we've already picked up today. I mean, we could be talking about between 1 to upwards of 3 inches of rainfall. So that is going to lead to the potential for some localized flooding. So keep that in mind, especially getting out the door Monday morning. There may still be rain around, but we'll have to watch out for flooded roadways. So make sure you stay weather aware tomorrow afternoon into early on Monday. Beyond the weekend, though, it turns much quieter and a bit cooler.